Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate risk management with interactive brokers, full guide step by step clearly. To automate risk management with interactive brokers, start by logging into your interactive brokers account. Navigate to the Trader Workstation, or TWS, which is the trading platform. Once in TWS, click on the Tools menu. Select Global Configuration to open the configuration options. In the Global Configuration window, look for the API section. Enable the Enable ActiveX and Socket Clients option to allow API connections. Next, go to the Risk Settings within the same configuration menu. Set your risk parameters such as maximum allowable loss and position limits. Now, choose Alerts under the Risk section to set up alerts based on your predefined criteria. Define the conditions that will trigger these alerts for better risk management. After setting up your preferred alerts, exit the Global Configuration window. Next, create a script for the automation process using a programming language compatible with the Interactive Brokers API. Consider using Python, as it has libraries like IB_INSYNC that simplify interaction with the API. Install the necessary libraries in your development environment using pip. Begin coding your risk management script by establishing a connection to the Interactive Brokers API. Once connected, pull your current market positions and calculate the risk for each. Implement logic in your script to compare the calculated risk with your predefined limits. If the risk exceeds your limits, write code to place stop-loss orders automatically. Test the script in a simulated or paper trading environment to ensure it functions correctly. Once the script is working seamlessly, deploy it in your live trading environment. Regularly monitor the performance of your automated risk management system. Adjust your script as necessary based on market conditions and your trading strategy. Finally, keep your technology updated to remain compliant with any changes from interactive brokers. This concludes the guide on how to automate risk management with interactive brokers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.